Peanut butter and jelly, an American classic that's simple but delicious. Let's find out how many ways we can mess this up. Well, we're gonna need a drink to start this one off. So how about a peanut butter whiskey with a raspberry dusted rim? Of course, we already ran into trouble. Dan doesn't have any shot glasses, so we're using ramekins. And our raspberry dust turned into a solid block of gum. But after a bit of shaving, it's time to bottoms up. Cheers! Not as bad as I thought.
I don't like the raspberries though.
I was gonna say the little raspberries are a little weird, but
it got all stuck to my lips.
Well, let's make some sandwiches. For the bread, we're just gonna use white and wheat. Peanut butter, we got smooth, chunky, and something I like to call super chunk. We got strawberry jelly and raspberry preserves. And we got that weird jar that has peanut butter and jelly in it, which is cool if you're like 4 years old, I guess. Anyways, let's slap some buns together. Yeah. So that's your basic peanut butter and jelly. If you want to get weird, you can use powdered peanut butter and jam for an extra dry experience.
It's so dry. It's also so tart. And I want it out of my mouth.
Instant regret. I love it. Or you can make the all-natural using raw ingredients.
It's gonna fly everywhere.
Boom!
Oh, you only lost one peanut. I'm actually surprised.
Of course, you gotta hit it with that signature brand. Coat everything in butter. That's what I learned today. Yeah! Then you can do crust off. A fancy crust off that we can't name for legal reasons. Or crust only. How about this? Let's take some crust, blend it up, and then recrust our no crust. Or if you're a gamer, crust it in Doritos, I guess. Deep fry that, or air fry it if you want to pretend to be healthy. Dan's Japanese instincts kicked in, we had to tempura batter one.
Actually surprisingly good.
You can sear it off in a skillet with butter. You can sear it in French toast batter. Or you can wrap it in a tortilla, and bam, that's peanut butter jelly quesadilla. Smash it in a grill and make a panini. Make peanut butter waffle with strawberry syrup. You can toast a sandwich hole in a toaster. Or you can toast up some bread fries and dip it in some PB&J. Want to be fancy? Smear it on some Ritz crackers as hors d'oeuvres. This will really make you the hostess with the mostest. If you're a big eater, you can stack two together and get yourself a double-double. Or for those people where chewing is too much, you can just throw it in a blender, add some milk into a smoothie.
What does it taste like? Peanut butter jelly?
Tastes like bread. And that's 21 ways that we made peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Did we make it your way? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe while you're down there. Till next time, Counterfeits. See ya.